It's amazing to think that a single teaspoon of soil could hold more living things than there are people on our entire planet. At first glance, soil might just seem like dirt or a place to plant flowers or grow veggies, but it's so much more magical and teeming with life. Imagine 1 teaspoon of soil. If we could magically shrink ourselves down to the size of an ant and peek inside, we would see a world full of tiny creatures. Let's meet some of these tiny residents of the soil. First, we have bacteria. They're like little dots, so tiny that you can't see them without a microscope. Even though they are small, they play huge roles in breaking down organic material, helping release nutrients plants need to grow. Just a pinch can hold up to 1 billion bacteria. Next, there are fungi. They're not just mushrooms that pop up in the garden. These are tiny, thread-like structures that weave through the soil, breaking down really tough materials like dead plants and animals. What about the itty-bitty critters known as nematodes and protozoa? These little guys wiggle and squirm. Nematodes, often known as roundworms, help control bacteria and fungi, while protozoa munch on them, keeping everything in balance. And let's not forget the arthropods, little bugs and beetles scuttling in the darkness. Think of them as the gardeners of the soil, breaking up big clumps, eating decomposing material, and creating spaces for air and water. Have you ever heard of the slime mold? It might sound yucky, but it's fascinating. It travels across the soil, almost like it's walking, in search of food and water, leaving a trail of nutrient-rich material behind it. But why is all this life inside a spoonful of soil important? Well, together they form what's called an ecosystem. It's like a big party where everyone has a role, making sure plants grow and the earth stays healthy. By helping decompose old leaves and twigs, these tiny organisms recycle nutrients and support the cycle of life. Without them, plants wouldn't get the nutrients they need to grow, and our planet would be a very different place.